Hello everyone! Welcome back! Are you stuck with a minimum checkout limit on Temo and want it removed? Good news! There's a simple way to request a change directly from the app. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to contact Temo support and remove the minimum spend restriction. First, launch your Temo app and make sure you're logged in. Tap on the U icon at the bottom to open your profile. On the top right corner, tap the support icon. Once inside, scroll down and tap Contact Us. In the message box, type, "Hi, please remove the minimum checkout requirement on my account." Hit send and wait for a response from Temo's customer service. They usually respond within minutes. Once approved, your minimum checkout limit will be removed. And that's it. You're now free to shop on Temo without any minimum order restrictions. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.